Y'all know we back at it again? Actually, if y'all can hear me, at it again. We're at the View Community Center, and we're gonna do some trolling videos. That's all I gotta say.
Alright, let's go.
Alright, so come on, let's go. Mine's in my hometown's bit out of concrete, bro. Chill, bro. Come on, bro. Come on. So come on, we gotta keep on going. Like, we gotta watch out for this man, cause he gonna keep on recording. Like, like, we haven't got there yet. But personally, there's really nobody to troll out here today. Usually, there would be a lot of people. But it's gonna come down. But yeah, leave soon. But I'm gonna try to do some cool shit out here if I can. But oh wait. We gotta first stick them. Hey, first. Don't ever tell them to. Alright. They got it black. We might just go through the woods real quick. I'm really confused. Yeah, that's not trollable, bro.
Oh my god. Oh, hell no, man. What
you wanna do right now? Fuck around, let's just fuck around. What do you wanna do? Let's go to the woods. Woods bet. Into the woods. Huh? Shut up. You know Kendrick Lamar, I see dead people. I actually do see dead people. I got trauma.
Can I tell you a secret?
Sure, man.
I see dead people.
Deliver us.
Hey, let's get some cameraman action. Cameraman action.
Cameraman wanna do some flips? Nope. We're done.
Oh, cameraman moments.
So sweaty right now.
Oh, cameraman moments. Am I right, bro?
Yeah.
Hey, bro, go get on that. Ride that turkey.
It's a dodo, bro. It's low key a dodo.
Ride the dodo. Yo, ride that bitch. Hey, you on top of the world.
Stay sober.
Yeah, we coming out with new merch.
Hey, no, bro.
I'm kidding.
We're not dropping merch, bro. We too early for that.
All right, let's go.
Hey, wait, no. Stay sober, vape free, no nicotine, none of that. That's my video. If you watch my videos, no vaping. I don't play around with that. No weed too. Stay sober while you're watching my shit.